Hello and welcome, dear friends. In this session of the website design tutorial, we now get to the topic of the software we'll be using. This is the software that will actually help us design the website. And using that same software, we're going to build the entire site together, step by step. That software's name is WordPress. It's a very popular tool for building websites. We'll get familiar with it as we move forward through the course. So let's begin exploring it together, one piece at a time. WordPress is a very complete and powerful system, used all over the world. Millions of sites have been built using this WordPress CM system. And with the WordPress system, you can design just about any kind of website you can imagine. Look, with WordPress, you can build store websites, company websites, or news websites. You can also build all sorts of other websites too, beyond just those examples. And learning how to do that starts today, right here, in this tutorial. You need to get familiar with the name WordPress. You're going to work with WordPress together with me. You'll learn WordPress step by step from me. And using what you learn, you're going to design a website. We'll do that together, from start to finish. But before we go further, I want to explain something to you. I want to explain to you what WordPress actually is. So that you fully understand this, I'm going to introduce WordPress to you as a website builder. Or you can think of WordPress as a robot. Why a robot? Because a robot is nothing but a system that's already been set up and programmed ahead of time. That means someone has already done the hard work of building the structure. All you need to do is tell it what you want, and it carries out the task for you. It's built to do a certain job for you, and that job is to make things easier. WordPress itself is a CMS, a content management system. You can also think of it like a robot that builds a website for you in just a few minutes. At first, though, it's raw. It hasn't been set up with any design or content yet. It simply builds the basic website structure for you. All you need to do after that is install WordPress. You install it on your own host and your own domain. Once that's done, you're ready to start building. Once installed, your website loads in a raw, unfinished form. From that point, you're already working inside it. Next, we'll cover both design topics and technical topics. All of this helps you build the website step by step. Let's revisit the definition. Just to be clear, here's how I describe it from my own view. WordPress is like a website building robot. It's come to help all of us get our websites built. And it's truly one of the best, strongest, and most appealing pieces of software in the world for building a website. And we're going to use this very modern, open source, and completely free system, of course, to build our own site and design our site. Now, a question might come up. Is there other software besides WordPress you could use to design a website? The answer is yes. There are other software programs and CMS platforms you can use to build and design a website. There are a lot of software options out there, like Drupal, like Joomla, like OpenCart, and many others. But based on my experience, none of them is better, stronger, or more well-known than WordPress when you're working with such a popular and widely used CMS. Once you're using such a popular, widespread CMS, you can design your own website much more easily. That's because these big, well-known systems come with a lot more programming and a lot more documentation behind them. For example, if you want to add a feature to your site, you'll find plenty of plugins. They've already been written for it, so you can easily install them on WordPress. That lets you upgrade your system without extra work. So our decision here is definitely WordPress. But just so you're familiar with the other options, I introduced a few other frameworks too. I did this as a website designer myself. That way you'd have enough background to understand what you're actually doing, not just follow steps blindly. And going forward with my videos, we'll keep building on this same foundation. You'll see how these choices connect to everything we cover next. You'll become an expert. I wish you all the best. See you next video. Goodbye. Thanks.